Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Liz and I'm going vegan while doing things a little extra each time. And today we're taking that extra feeling and running with it because we're making protein blueberry pancakes with chickpea flour and a little something not so secret, but it's going to be absolutely fantastic flavor. So I've got about a half a cup of blueberries to start, but first we need to get our batter situated. So let's do that. To my bowl, I've added half a cup of chickpea flour, and then I'm going to stream in some of my Mooala creamer. This is the banana nut one, so it's basically, I had referred it as the Hawaiian flavor in my creamer showdown video, and I love it. But this is just a tip for anyone. It doesn't have to be Mooala, like this specific creamer that you add into your batter. You can use any coffee creamer. I know a lot of people use vegan flavored coffee creamers, and you can use those as like any one of them as a substitute in this. And then you just want to add it until you can get a good enough batter, and then we'll get that whisked. I think this is pretty perfect consistency for chickpea flour pancakes. You can make it a little runnier. It's just then harder to flip. So I still like to keep it in that kind of like frosting stage where you can still draw ribbons and it holds pretty well, but it is still drippy. And now you can also add your blueberries in now or sprinkle them on top when you go to fry your pancakes. But we're gonna add something else that pairs specifically well with the banana nut creamer. And that is a lot of cinnamon. I'm really, really liberal with it. And then actually just a pinch of salt. And then depending on how long this sets, it does start to get a little thicker. I might add just a dash of the creamer right next to the stove so that it loosens it up just a tad. But I wish you could smell this. It's as if you did like mashed banana pancakes, but if you're someone like me who has trouble digesting bananas now, then this is a great substitute. Or like I said, any flavor you want. If you had like a hazelnut or like, just a French vanilla creamer to make these like a sweet pancake, you can definitely do that. And I will say, even with this, and the fruit, some of the chickpea flour taste may come through. I don't mind it because there's enough sweet now to offset it. But if you find that you really don't want to have any of that chickpea taste lingering in the background, add about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of sugar to start, and then you can just kind of like taste the batter before frying it and go from there. But I like to have no sugar added when possible, so this is great for me. So let's go fry. And now to a hot skillet that I've put in a tablespoon of butter, I'm going to just start spooning out my pancake batter. I'm weird and I don't like really big pancakes. And then again, because these are protein pancakes, you don't need as much, which is really nice because these are filling in a good way. And then once you see the underside starting to get a little bit of like that cooked rim, but the top is still kind of gooey, that's when I like to add my blueberries so they can still settle on in there. You can make designs, you can get however artsy you really want about it. I love putting them on top because then when we flip it, they get like blistered. It's delicious. Okay guys, that is how you make delicious chickpea flour protein pancakes with the secret ingredient of your coffee creamer. Now, I actually drizzled it. You can't really tell anymore because it all just pooled together in this delicious puddle down here. Oh my gosh, I just have to take a bite first. It's so good. Now when they came out, as you can see, I dusted more cinnamon on them. I added more butter, which is now melted. But if you can see over here, especially where some of it's still pooled with the butter, I drizzled a little bit, in addition to the maple syrup, a little bit extra of that coffee creamer. It's pretty much a pre-made sauce for you, like a little kind of glazed drizzle. And it just, it's so good. It's so good, and everything on it, it's just a little bit sweeter. It's, gosh, don't mind if I do. Now, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And while you're at it, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so you're notified when new videos go up. And I will see you all next time. Please make this, enjoy. Let me know how it went for you. And yeah, I'll talk to you later. Bye.